My name's Andrew Mullis. This is my son, Jake. We actually started his project, which is a 1936 Chevrolet pickup. We like nostalgia, vintage cars and trucks and old hot rods, and went to a show down in Union, South Carolina, Steel in Motion. The first piece that we got was this intake, which is the, I guess maybe a mid to early 60s L-Brock single carb tunnel ram, and got to look at it. Was extremely dirty and corroded, and we were just looking for a process to clean it. Main reason being that the motor's going to be sitting out in the open with no fenders, no hood, so that's the first thing you're going to see, and just wanted it to look like new. Got on the internet and got to looking at different processes to clean it. Tried several chemically stripping it, that type of stuff, and nothing really worked, and found you guys, and luckily you're about an hour and 20 minutes from the house, so here we are, and after blasting it, it looks great.
I definitely enjoyed the process of doing it. Very therapeutic for some people, and I understand like you like to get home and just stay out in the shop and work, and a very fun experience, and I would recommend it to anybody else who's wanting to clean stuff. It's a very good, high quality stuff that they use to clean the intake and all the other parts that we have.
This is the underdash heater for this going in the truck. This is this actually was a loop antenna. This is the base for it, and the top of it will be painted, but it flew under a B-22 bomber, World War II era, and the tank. So inside the pod that sits on top of this will be his compressor, and then it will feed into the stainless tank, which also came out as a World War II era oxygen tank. So it'll feed just for onboard air, that type of stuff, suspension wise. Air horns, you know, every 16-year-old needs a set of good air horns. And we just, like I said, brought those up and were able to blast them as well, and everything turned out just super great.
With the dry blasting, one of the main problems that we were having was you had to change out the air filter and stuff on it, and if you didn't, it would get so dusty to where you couldn't see, and it wouldn't spray the dry blast onto the product or the part that you wanted to spray.
But to get the finish that these parts have from the
it's a big difference.
It's a huge difference.